Flying a drone for educational purposes at recognized educational institutions is considered flying for fun. So you do not need a license or to register your drone if it weighs less than 250 grams. The ANC flies under the Civil Aviation Safety Authority regulations and therefore must adhere to their rules to operate safely within guidelines. At Level 1, drone flying safety rules will be studied in detail to ensure all flying is conducted safely. Cadets must complete their online CASA exam and achieve 100% prior to progressing any further through the course. Evidence must be uploaded to Level 1, Task Bravo in the e-learning course. Cadets will then learn flight basics before practicing flying skills on a flight simulator. Unfortunately, the Velocidrone software is not yet approved for defense laptops and will need to be accessed on a personal computer or laptop. It is important to practice before flying in a real environment. Cadets will then start flying indoors as they develop visual line-of-sight piloting skills. Level 2 continues indoors to improve visual line-of-sight piloting skills. Cadets will also fly outdoors to experience the variables such as weather and geography. When proficient outdoors, cadets will conduct an initial indoor first-person view drone flight. Further development of first-person view drone flying skills will be conducted in Level 3. This is a very steep learning curve that takes lots of practice to fly simple routes using basic flying maneuvers. With enough practice, flight skills will progress to allow competition in racing scenarios. Ideally, cadets should utilize Velocidrone frequently. This will help develop FPV skills and ensure the drones remain undamaged. Drones should be stored in their hard case when not in use. Batteries are rechargeable and are to be charged prior to use and prior to storage. Familiarize yourself with the standard operating procedure, storage, and use of training equipment batteries to ensure that the equipment is properly maintained. Those who wish to fly drones on a defense establishment need to seek permission from the base's flying officer. For more information, contact Chief Petty Officer Winning ANCD if this is relevant to you. Remember, cadets must fly under your supervision and always follow the drone safety rules on the CASA website. We recommend using a CASA-verified drone safety app such as OpenSky to check where you can and cannot fly. To find information on how to teach this elective, click on the CYDC button on the CadetNet intranet page. Then choose the Staff button to take you to the Staff area and click on Electives. Finally, choose the Drone Flying button to get access to the resources for this elective. As with every elective, there is an online course component to be completed by cadets, along with the practical skills checklist that requires staff to view flights and ensure requirements are met. These must then be uploaded and graded. Should you have further questions, then please feel free to contact your elective sponsor, Lieutenant Dave Barnes, ANC. I hope this short video has been helpful in allowing you to gain an understanding of how to support the drone flying elective.